AI ultimately is there to augment rather than replace, but it's choosing the right tools for the right purpose. I'm May Winfield. I'm the Global Director of Commercial Legal and Digital Risk at Buro Happold. I've been a construction insurance lawyer for over 20 years, and I lead the global legal team to work out how we can implement AI in the best possible way. When it comes to Buro Happold, technology is in our DNA. We were very early adopters of BIM, for example. Always are interested in how we can take technology to do what we do better, faster. However, it's very human-centered. And so when we are choosing what AI approach to take, we see how it will impact both our clients and as well as our staff in the way we work, so everything is in line with our founding principles. AI, unlike things like BIM and blockchain, anyone can type a prompt into an AI tool, and therefore it is very democratic in a lot of ways. I think one of the challenges is a lack of awareness and understanding of the legal and liability issues. So I do a lot of talks in the industry to raise awareness. For example, in the REBA AI report 2025, it said over 70% of respondents didn't have an AI policy, but over 50% were using it. AI, like all new technologies, carries certain legal risks and potential liabilities, partly because there's a lack of standardization of language. Different countries are developing different regulations. The key legal issues, I would say, are copyright and confidentiality. So people who are using publicly available AI tools, if you're putting client data into them, you can't remove it, you can't delete it, probably going to be in breach of contract. With AI, we know that historical data has bias issues, there are some ethics issues. There's also the known issue of hallucinations. It is not a person who's pulling from its own experience. So it's always important to have a human in the loop to check the results. We don't really know the size of the problem quite yet because everyone's still learning about it. Buro Happold has a very detailed approach when it comes to AI. So we have an AI working group. We also have an AI approvals board. We look individually at each tool to ensure that it works, it's safe, it's the right one for Buro Happold to use. It's the opportunity to enhance what we do without replacing people and without replacing the amazing creativity of our industry. And it's finding that balance. AI is such an emerging technology. What we understand now is so different from what we understood 6 months ago, what we'll understand a year from now. So it is just being open and adaptable to the world of possibilities.